Once your smart track is installed, mount your MyLifters using the included pins through the sides of the smart track. Install both of the MyLifters facing the same direction and leave 3 side holes between them. The carabiners will need to go in the holes next to the MyLifters, on the same side as where the cable comes out of the MyLifter and on the end of the MyLifter with the DC input. Mount the 2 power adapters on the track as well, and connect the power adapters to the MyLifters using the DC cables. The power adapters have an extra AC outlet, so you can power one adapter by plugging it into the other adapter. Plug one adapter into an outlet to power the installation. Use the included track covers and cable clips to make your installation look its best. This can take some time. If installing with the smart track side by side, because of the direction of your joists, you'll need to use the included 90-degree bracket. The diamond-shaped hole is for running the DC cable, which powers the MyLifter. Put the cable through the hole, insert the shorter part of the bracket into the smart track, and secure it using the included pins. Mount the MyLifter with 2 more pins so that the side with the DC input faces the 1 extra hole on the long side of the bracket. Connect the carabiner to the 1 extra hole. The 90-degree bracket ensures that the MyLifter cables run straight up and down without twisting your lifting bracket. Connect the kingpin to the lifting bracket using the included pins. We'll talk about balancing later. For now, just put it in the middle of the bracket.